Hey guys, I'm excited to try this new welder. This you can plug right into the wall. It's a gasless welding machine. Excellent quality, instant arcing quality welding. I can't wait to give this thing a try. I got a project that I'm kind of working on. It's my son's barbecue. This guy moves up and down on him, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld it together. But let's check this out. Let's do an unboxing video. Kind of excited. Pretty lightweight, which is going to be, for me, is going to be the biggest selling point. So you can take it anywhere. I can just pull it right outside here. I don't have to grab a big welder. Open it up in a second. It'll be nice. Very lightweight. I like the graphics. Hooks right into 110. Awesome. Nice clamp set here. It's pretty heavy duty, pretty thick gauge. Nice. This guy is going to be a negative. And we got a nice stick welding positive here. Seems pretty heavy duty. Super easy. Oh, nice. It came with some welding gloves. And it also comes with, so that does have, these are going to be our welding glasses. Man, for the price, you can't beat it. I went ahead and brought a different welding helmet and a set of gloves. I wasn't expecting welding gloves and a makeshift but usable welding helmet. Came with a nice brush here so we can clean up our area. So we did get a bunch of sticks, which is really nice. And a nice, it looks like a shoulder strap to go over the machine. All right, guys, so it did come with this mask that you put together for yourself, which I'm going to give to my camera person to use since I have my own. But it's kind of nice that it did come with eye protection. This guy's nice and light. You can just pick it up, throw it over your shoulder, no problem. Grab your cord. So I've already got it all cleaned up. Like I said, we're going to be welding together my son's barbecue here. It's a regular 110 outlet. I'm using a real small extension cord, and one of the thickest ones I have. Clamp does have different ways you can put your rod. If you want it straight, if you want it off to the side, I'm going to take advantage of that little groove that it's got there. Turn it on here. It's got a nice digital screen. I got my current, I'm about 150. I'm using, got some pretty thin metal here. Oh, that ain't going anywhere. Super easy, super fast. Can't beat it. How easy is that? Weld anything together you need to in a matter of moments.
Hope that helped, friends. If it did, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, because we do a ton of these little tool review videos to help with your shopping journey, especially on Amazon. Links for this specific welder will be in the description box below. We'll see you again on the next one.